How to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your WhatsApp account. Then, try listening to the voice message. If it still does not work, simply bring your phone closer to the ear and then try it. If it still does not work, make sure your proximity is good. If it does not work, your sensor is going bad. Another thing which you can also do is hold on to the WhatsApp app on your home screen and click on app info at the top. In app info, simply click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Go back and then go to permissions. Make sure microphone access is given and also speaker. After you do this, if it still does not work, you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker issue. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.